Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has identified Meta as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.63. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.13%. This results in an average return of 0.52% each day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 8.8% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 3.07% to 12.24%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it predicts a significant change of about 33.4% over the coming year, with potential returns between 12.2% and 38.21%. This translates to a price range between $714.09 and $879.66 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock price up 2.08% on Thursday. The Meta stock price gained 2.08% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, rising from $623.50 to $636.45. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether this trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.48%, with a day low of $621.15 and a day high of $636.58. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 3% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 10 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $6.22 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $638.40, while the lowest price was $385.66. Currently, the price is 0.31%, or $1.95 below the 52-week high of $638.40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is making headlines today as it showcases its strong positioning in the artificial intelligence sector. According to portfolio manager Tony Wong from T. Rowe Price, Meta is leading the pack in AI advancements, particularly with the recent Stargate project announcement, which is sparking renewed investor interest across the technology landscape. As Meta approaches the release of its 4th quarter earnings report on the 29th of February, analysts have been optimistic about the company's prospects. They predict that seasonal business tailwinds and strength in advertising pricing will contribute positively to the upcoming results. Despite some challenges, such as the potential drag from rising labor costs, the company's cash flow position remains robust, which could pave the way for dividend growth and strategic share buybacks. Notably, several analysts have adjusted their price targets for Meta, with Bank of America raising it to $710, reflecting a positive outlook for 2026. This kind of analyst confidence often drives short-term price movements, reinforcing investor sentiment ahead of key earnings announcements. On the technical side, Meta shares are hovering just below all-time highs, with critical resistance and support levels identified, which investors will be monitoring closely. Overall, with a strong start to the year, reflected in a more than 6% increase year-to-date, Meta's ongoing investment in artificial intelligence and infrastructure, alongside favorable earnings expectations, position it well for both short-term gains and long-term growth in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Currently, there are no recent analyst ratings available for this stock. For additional insights, you may want to explore third-party opinions or conduct an online search. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The Meta stock carries buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $615.98 and $610.79. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 8.75%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose, creating a divergence between volume and price which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 118 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 111 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $591.80 and $585.25. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support point. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $591.80. If this is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $585.25 and $567.58. This stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and due to minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $15.43, which is a change of 2.48% between its high and low points. For the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.28%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, typically observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of January, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate set at $6.75. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $591.8. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 27,039 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 41.326. Overall, insiders purchased 97,534 shares and sold 235,468 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $603.74, reflecting a decrease of 5.14%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in reduced risk. There is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 20 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a weak upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a viable option at these levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, January 24th, we expect Meta to open down $5.06, starting at $631.39. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.